alternator is over there. We'll see how hard it is to get it out. I'm hoping it's gonna be an easy job, so we'll see. Wish me luck. Now, a quick update. I disconnected the positive terminal. I loose up the connector, the battery connector in the alternator, so it's a size 12. I loose up the tensioner adjuster bolt, and I'm working on the lower bolt. It looks like it's coming out pretty easy, so I'm gonna keep wrenching. So the alternator looks pretty in rough shape. It looks like it was connectors looks burnt out. There's a lot of oil in it, so I assume that probably was the cause of the failure. There's a lot of oil residue in here. The only thing I see oil as far as leaking, I think this clamp is kind of loose. My power steering's pretty low, so I gotta check that out. And yeah, so this is the old alternator. There's a ground connection here. There's the battery cable goes in here, and then the connector goes in here. So it's pretty simple. It was not really hard to get it off. I think if you get stranded in the road, you can still get it done. It was a 14mm socket. It's a 12 wrench and a 10mm socket. So it was pretty easy. And then this is the brand new one. Brand new from Rock Auto. It was $150. Brand new, shipping and everything. So I figured might as well get a new one. Now, somebody in the comments mentioned that my belt might have been loose. So I did check that. It looked like it was tight, so we'll see. I'll still, if I have problems, then I'll change the belt. But as far as I could tell, it doesn't look like it was that bad. Even this one looks pretty decent. I'm gonna clean some of the oil residue with the carburetor and intake cleaner. This is the only thing I have in my garage right now, so just to clean out the oil, try to see where the leak is coming from. So as you can see, my upper hose is loose. I can actually move my hose. So I'm gonna tighten it out so I don't have no more leaks. So I just finished installing the alternator. I connect all the lines, the battery cable, adjust the tension belt. You can see it sits right there. Now, I had a little bit more trouble to put it back in there. Other than that, it was pretty simple. Maybe I complicated myself going this route, where going on the side of the truck, I don't have any covers underneath, so it was pretty easy to align everything through this side and then just worry about the tensioner bolts from this side. Let me know what you guys think. Maybe I did it the hard way, maybe I did it the easy way, or maybe this is the only way. Let me know in the comments below if you guys do it a different way. Maybe next time. Hopefully there's not going to be a next time, but in case it does, I can do it the easier way. Took me about, I would say 45 minutes, maybe an hour, everything. But I'm usually take my time. I don't like to rush myself. If I get frustrated, I just take a 5-minute break. I don't want to break anything, so I just gotta connect the battery, and hopefully that was the issue. Otherwise, I gotta get a new belt. All right. No alternator light on. Yeah, baby. I know, it doesn't sound healthy. So there you go, guys. Alternator's done. Now I can drive it. Actually, I still need to fix the spaghetti mess over there. In the next video, I might fix the lights. So I already got the lights, corner lights, headlights. I do want to replace the grill, but I'm still in the doubt. But definitely the lights. I don't like those LED lights. And I'm gonna fix the wiring because they did a mess, horrible mess. So if you guys wanna continue watching the progress of my truck, subscribe. You already know all that. I really like the feedback that I'm getting from everybody. A lot of motivation to get my truck running. So appreciate it. Thank you very much. And to the next one. I don't know why I think it's so cool, but it says Nissan. I don't know. I found it cool.